So I actually just had a thought on how modern motherhood is comparable to celebrity and fame, right? We all know, a lot of us are aware that, celebrities pretty much have to give their souls pretty much away, to the Illuminati and to all this crazy stuff, right? Which essentially they're just giving their morals and values, their beliefs away in exchange for fame and the luxuries of life, fame, money, big houses, big cars, all the nice stuff in life, right? But I'm like, isn't that super comparable to motherhood? Why is it that mothers are giving away our souls in order to have the happy family? The white picket fence life, right? Isn't that the same thing? In ways that we give away our soul are like having no freaking time at all, okay? Because the husband may or may not be helping you, right? Having very little to no time for self-care. Okay, self-care, y'all. I'm talking about basic stuff like taking a freaking shower. What about having no time at all for hobbies? Stuff that you like to do, stuff that fulfills your cup up as a mother. Is this not comparable to giving away a huge part of our lives in exchange for happiness or something? This is just food for thought. It's just not fair. In no world should a mother have to give away her entire life just to be happy with children and a family. So I thought I'd just throw that out there. The idea that celebrities are, giving their not like this faraway fairy tale life, that's not our life. We're just regular. Actually, people are giving away their spirits across the globe in everyday households. Moms give their souls away every single day in the name of motherhood, in the name of I'm a good mother, I'm a good wife. Absolutely not. It's time to change the narrative, ladies. And just because we want to be good moms and wives, we should not have to exchange that for our entire souls, y'all. That's exactly why I had to escape the abusive stay-at-home mom situation that I just escaped from. And that's exactly why I tell other moms, I'm encouraging other moms to do the exact same thing. And I mean abuse in any type of way, not just physical. A man doesn't have to be beating you up every single day. I'm talking about verbal abuse. Okay, I'm talking about emotional abuse. I'm talking about neglect with your children, leaving you to do all the freaking work. No, that is not fair. Women are not put on this earth to serve men. Yes, we're here to serve our children once we come into that season of motherhood, but of our lives, away to it, absolutely not. There's supposed to be a balance. That's why I've created the Escape program. It is helping mothers learn to ground themselves, learn to awaken themselves, learn to protect themselves so you can get out of these non-ideal situations before you turn 60 and realize, wow, I spent my entire life in bondage. That's not fair. So I'm helping you. Look out for the Escape program. It's coming very, very soon. If it has not already dropped by now. If it has dropped by now, it will be linked in the description. I'm not even going to beg you to get this program. This is not about money, but it's mainly about getting these women out of bondage. This is my life calling, to help women out of these situations so they can live in peace and harmony, just like we were born to do. So I'm not about to beg you to take this program. I'm not about to beg you to invest into this program. I am going to say this program will save your life. Coming from a person who's lived through hell, lived through bondage, and gotten myself out of it, I can truly say this program will save your life. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, stay strong, okay? Invest into yourself, invest into your freedom. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay updated with my channel. Keep your head up, stay strong. I love you. Mwah.